Yes, today I am starting this session with the topic of Scandinavian countries. Okay, now what is Scandinavian countries? So Scandinavian countries consist of three countries. One is your Sweden that you are seeing here. The other is your Norway, and then to the south of this is Denmark. So these three countries, Norway, Sweden, it is Norway, Sweden, and Denmark, together forms what we call as Scandinavian nations or the Kingdom of Scandinavia. Okay, you cannot call this as a kingdom, but you can call this as a Scandinavian countries. So Scandinavian cover countries named Denmark, Norway, and Sweden. So we can say that the capital of Denmark is Copenhagen, that you can see here. Capital of Norway is Oslo, and the capital of Sweden is Stockholm. Okay. Now, why these three countries have been called the Scandinavian? Because there is a Mount Scandinavia. Okay, there is a mountain that is called as a Scandinavian that ran through this to this part. Okay, and to the north of this Scandinavian mountain is what we call as a Kajolin mountain, and to the south of Scandinavian is Norland. Okay. Now today we are going to study one of the country whose name is Denmark. Okay. So let's bring Denmark into picture. So we know that the capital of Denmark is Copenhagen. Now a lot of information is there about the Denmark. So let's start with its geographical location. So it is to the north of Germany. Okay. And it is to the south of Norway, and it is to the southwest of Sweden. Okay, you can see that this is Sweden, so it is the southwest of Sweden. Okay, and to the north of Norway, Denmark is Norway, and to the west of Denmark is North Sea. Okay, to the west of Denmark is a North Sea. So let's give you some information about the Denmark. Okay, so Denmark is officially the Kingdom of Denmark is a Nordic country in the Northwest Europe. Okay, southernmost of Scandinavian country. So you can see that these three countries, Sweden, Norway, and Denmark, forms the three country of Scandinavian. So it is to the south of the Scandinavian. Yes, you can see that it is to the south of the Scandinavian. Now, what it consists of? It consists of peninsula, Jutland, and an archipelago of 443 named island, with the largest being Zealand, Funen, and the North Jutlandic island. So you can see that here in Denmark there is a Jutland. Okay, so let me show you where the Jutland is there. Okay, so you can see the Denmark here. Yes, so I'm showing you the map. So yes, this is your Jutland. Yes, you can see here the Jutland, Jutland is there. Okay, this, and there is a lot of island. You can see that there is a bunch of island. Okay, a lot of island are there. These are called, the group of islanders called as archipelago. And how many archipelago are there? So 443 named archipelago are there. Okay, now you must know that Greenland, you can see the Greenland. Okay, so there you can see that there is a Greenland. Okay, this is also the part of Denmark. Okay, so Greenland is also the part of Denmark. So let's start with some other facts. So Denmark is the southwest. So Denmark is in the southwest of Sweden and south of Norway, as it is clear from the map. Okay, and to the south of Norway is which country? That is Germany. You can see to the south of Denmark is Germany, and to the west of Denmark is United Kingdom. And what is the capital of Denmark? Copenhagen. You can see that Copenhagen is the capital of Denmark. Okay, what is the total area of Denmark? Denmark total area is 42,924 square kilometer. So, and including the Greenland and the 4 Faroe Islands. So 2 islands are there, Greenland and Faroe Island. So together with Greenland and Faroe Island, its area is very huge. So it is 22,10,579 square kilometer. Okay. So Kingdom of Denmark include 2 autonomous territory in the North Atlantic Ocean. These are Faroe Island and the Greenland. I have shown you Faroe Island and the Greenland. Okay. Now it is your duty to find where is Faroe Island. Okay. So you can see, let me show you Faroe Island. Okay. I think that is visible. This Faroe Island is here. Okay. This island, Faroe Island, belongs to Denmark. You can see that Faroe Island belongs to Denmark and the Greenland here belongs to Denmark too. And together they are approximately 22 lakh square kilometer, which is really a very big country. But as far as the mainland of Denmark is concerned, that is approximately only 42,000 kilometer square. Now let's come to some of the facts of Denmark. So what is the religion of Denmark? The religion of Denmark is Church of Denmark. What is the government of Denmark? Unitary, parliamentary, constitutional monarch is there. Thus Denmark is also called as a kingdom because there is a unitary, parliamentary, constitutional monarch. Thus it is a kingdom. What is the GDP? Purchasing power parity. So GDP of Denmark in terms of purchasing power parity is estimated 2018 was 299 billion, which is 52nd in the world. And what is Denmark's nominal GDP? So that has been estimated in 2018. It is $370 billion, and that is 34th largest in the world. So we can say that the economy of Denmark. Now, if we really want to know the economy of Denmark, the GDP and GDP nominal are not very important here because this country is having a very less population. So what we can compare to actually know what is the actual GDP is the GDP per capita, which is quite high. It is $63,829, which is 6th largest in the world. So we can say that it is a very, very prosperous country since its GDP per capita. GDP per capita means that the GDP per capita of Denmark is 63,829, means that it is very high, and each individual is having this amount of productivity, 63,829. What is Human Development Index? So that is also quite high, 0.930, and the currency of Denmark is Danish krone. Okay. And what we can say about the economy? So Denmark has a developed mixed economy that is classed as a high income economy by the World Bank. Now tell me, where is the headquarters of the World Bank? That is very important from your point of view. So Danish is the de facto national language of Denmark. Now these are some of the facts that are associated with this Scandinavian country, Denmark. Now I think that you are very much well aware of its geographical location. Okay, so this is your whole Europe is there. So this is Denmark. Now if you want to know about Norway and Sweden, the other two Scandinavian countries, and then we will come to Finland. Finland is not the Scandinavian country, but it is associated like that. So always we get confused that whether Finland is an Scandinavian country or not. So we can say that Finland is not an Scandinavian country. Okay. So next time we shall cover the topic. We shall cover two other countries, Norway and Sweden, and then we will cover Finland, and then we will come to whole of the Europe. Okay. And from Europe we will move to Africa. Okay. So please like and subscribe to our channel so that you could be able to receive further updates. Thank you very much.